Hi guys! Like right now, this is where I keep all of my towels. I just have them folded up in that pink basket, and then in this basket I have hand towels and rags, and then I have some other stuff under there, and then all of my hair bows and stuff, and then I wear a lot of hair extensions, so I have a lot of hair extensions. I need to organize my sink, and then all of the products that are laying around over here, and then underneath my sink is a mess. So, yeah. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I am super happy to have all of you here with me. I hope that you enjoy the video, guys, and I'm going to get started. So, I don't know where I'm going to put you guys. So that is everything that's going to be coming out of there. It's all completely clean except for some extra of this padding that goes down here on the bottom. This stuff right here, that's what's back there. And then my hair extension boxes, there are actually hair extensions in all of these. They're going to also remain in there because I'm just going to put those back. And then I have some wig glue and some extra clips that I don't want to lose in this mess that is going on in my bathroom. So this is after I have pulled everything out, and oh my god, this is going to take me forever. So this is what everything is looking like with it all pulled out, and like I said, there is now nothing in there. So now we have all of this to clean up and go through. So I got this to put in here. I'm going to put this together, and I'm going to put it over the toilet. I also got these two items, and I'm going to put them together as well. So the bathroom is 100% done. I am so super happy that I'm done, and I'm so satisfied with the way that it looks right now. So as you can see, this is what my sink now looks like. There's still quite a bit of stuff up here, but it's organized and it's not as much. So I added this so that I have another shelf up here to add more stuff onto. And then I organized all of this stuff out of this corner shelf right here. So everything in there is something that I need or I am going to be using. And then everything in there is my girly products. So tampons, pads, any kind of wipes or anything like that that I might need. And then we have this little unit here that I put together. And up there we just have some decorative stuff. And that bag we have hair products, and then those two towels are my hair towels, and then we have scrunchies in here, brushes, and then I put those photos over here on the wall. Oh, and I also added the little shelf up there, just so I have somewhere to put my blow dryer and some hair products. Everything's not on the sink. And then the little cart that I put together is right here. It also has wheels on it, so it can be moved. And then the bottom two shelves have my towels, and I have about 6 towels down there. Here are all the rags for to wash my face with. And then in here, this little thing just has stuff that I need to know where it's at. So it has some important little things that I need to keep hold of. In there, we have hand towels. And then some hair clips and perfume. And down there we have some more hair stuff. And then here are the hair extensions that I'm using right now. And then we have just some, these towels are on the door. They're super, super big towels, so I have to hang them up there. And then my robes. And then underneath the sink, looks a lot better than it did. There's hair all in my sink. So, let's see if we can see. Underneath the sink still looks like there's a lot under there. But I promise you, it looks a lot better than what it did. And it is all organized. And I know everything that is under here now. I think what I'm going to do is get a large one of these. Something like this. To put under the sink. So then I have the pull-out drawers under here as well. I think that would be helpful. So I'm going to be on the lookout for one of those. And yeah, that's it. I am super happy with the way everything has turned out. There are a couple more items that I know that I'm going to get to go in here. And then if these things work out for me and I like the way everything's set up, then I do plan on upgrading these items here, because you can get better quality ones. So you can get a wooden one to build and put there if you want to. So if I continue to like this setup, then I'm going to upgrade that. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. I love each and every one of you very, very much, and I'll see you on my next one, guys. Bye.